Samsung has announced the futurist Galaxy S25 series with the addition of the Ultra variant. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the most high-end smartphone that ever exists. We can expect that the features that will be offered by it will be insane and mind-blowing. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. First of all, there is the size of the display, the sharp cameras, the larger battery and the most powerful chipsets on the market today. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is expected to come with one of the most powerful chipsets in the market, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, with a 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra will be a sharp and giant 6.8 inches dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touchscreen display. You will have a 12 GB of RAM with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. That's all for now and thanks for watching.